Okay, so I gotta put a handle on. Still, obviously, I gotta change out the hardware. I'm gonna make it nice champagne bronze color, but it's locked. Isn't that sweet? There's the hole. Trying to get it to focus here. Hang on. There's the magnet. Right there. It lifts up. Snaps to the one above it. And then it goes past and locks. Boom. Drops down and locks. Lifts up. Close. Drops down in. Locks. It's pretty much just a child lock. It wouldn't really stop anybody from actually getting into it or anything, unless they were, they say a lock only stops an honest thief.